Morning class 8. Let's take up the topic types of quadrilaterals. Now first type of quadrilateral is the parallelogram. Now please be careful and do watch carefully, because these things help you out in solving the questions. The facts which we are going to study now, they will help you to solve out the questions. So here you can see this parallelogram ABCD, and a quadrilateral is called a parallelogram if its opposite sides are parallel. Now here you can see the opposite sides are parallel. In the figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. A parallelogram has some special properties. Let's see. Number 1, opposite sides are equal. Number 2, opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal, and each diagonal bisects a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Now I think this word is new for you. Congruent triangles means they are exactly coinciding with each other. They are completely equal to each other. Okay, now here please see ABC. Proof is, you don't need to do the proof, not required. ABCD is the parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, and if I draw this diagonal AC, so this diagonal AC is dividing this parallelogram into two congruent triangles, completely equal triangles. Okay, then next property says the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. If I draw both the diagonals, this AC and BD, they both bisect each other, means this diagonal divides this diagonal into two equal parts, and this diagonal BD divides AC into two equal parts, means OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Okay, then next theorem comes. If a pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now suppose you are given that opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel, then directly you can say that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Let's again have a quick recap of the properties. Properties of a parallelogram are the following. Number 1, opposite sides are equal, means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Opposite angles are equal. This angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D, and its diagonals bisect each other. If I draw these two diagonals, they bisect each other. Then diagonals divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. And last, very important, its adjacent angles. In the previous video I told you about the adjacent angles, like A and B are adjacent, B and C are adjacent, C and D are adjacent, D and A are adjacent. Now they are supplementary, means their sum is 180 degree. A plus D is equal to 180, D plus C is equal to 180, B plus C is equal to 180, and B plus A is equal to 180. Now let's do next quadrilateral, that is your rectangle. A parallelogram is called rectangle if one of its angle is a right angle. Now here you can see the figure of the rectangle. It is also a kind of parallelogram, but here at least one angle has to be 90. Now if he is saying one angle 90, automatically remaining angles are also 90, because we know that the sum of adjacent angles is going to be 180. So if this is 90, then automatically this becomes 90. This is 90, so this is also 90, and this 90, and this is also 90. Also opposite angles are equal, so all four angles are 90 degree in a rectangle, and opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay, then next is all the interior angles of a rectangle are right angles. Just now I told you the diagonals of a rectangle are equal in length. If I draw these diagonals AC and BD, they both are equal in length. Then the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. This diagonal AC and this diagonal BD both bisect each other. Like if this AC is drawn on BD, then this OD is equal to OB. AC is bisecting it, and similarly BD is bisecting AC. Then next comes rhombus. A parallelogram is a rhombus if two adjacent sides are equal. If its two adjacent sides are equal, in the figure you can see the rhombus ABCD. The quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. We can see that it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel, and AB is equal to DA. This AB is equal to DA, so it is a rhombus, and a rhombus has all the properties of a parallelogram. Whatever are the properties of the parallelogram, same properties rhombus have. And property says that first is all sides are equal in length. When adjacent sides are equal and you are saying that it follows the properties of parallelogram, then automatically this opposite sides are equal, and even all four sides are equal because adjacent sides are equal. Secondly, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Remember that in the previous example also we have seen the diagonals bisect each other in the case of parallelogram. So same way here also, and at this point at right angles, that they make the angle of 90 degree with each other. Okay. Each diagonal of a rhombus bisects the angles at the two vertices it joins. Also, each diagonal bisects the angles of the at the two vertices it joins. Suppose this is AC, then this is bisecting angle A and angle C. Now fourth property says the diagonals of a rhombus form four quadrant triangles. The completely equal four triangles it makes. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now further I will make in my next video. In that video I'll tell you about square and trapezium. Till here you just go through the properties of rhombus and your rectangle and your parallelogram. Okay, thank you.